Esri in Australia, and many others who use our services. There are various different use cases that we see with some of these services. Customers like Siemens and Aviva, and SolidWorks, for example, they use these services for 3D applications, CAD and CAM applications, because we've got GPU enabled instances, right, for some of our services. And you've also seen customers like IHS Market, who offer their SaaS solutions using AppStream. So the fastest way to specify your application is probably not to rewrite the application for SaaS, but to just present it through or distribute it through application streaming, right? So your application, you maintain the application centrally on the cloud, you stream the application to the users, they access it on a browser. It is SaaS, right? You're delivering a managed experience for your end users. So we've seen various different use cases. Yes, classic VDI is also one of the use cases. We see that, but it's way beyond VDI and desktops, right? When it comes to end user computing.
So I want to explore more on that. So managed media, as you mentioned. So basically, I know this is a pain for the businesses to manage different operating system, or if they have a same operating system, then builds are different. So that's one of those challenges.
Yeah.
And then when it comes to the protection, EDR and all endpoints. So I believe these machines come with the native protections there. So customer do not have to worry about that if they need to deploy the virtual desktop environment for 500 desktop. There you go. They
Yeah.
go for the service.
The agility that it brings, as you said, spot on. It helps you deploy quickly. It helps you manage better. It helps you secure better. Right? So, and it brings a lot of agility, right? Imagine deploying 1,000 desktops, right? I mean,
Yeah.
you harness the power of cloud. You get a managed experience. Your end users are happy, and you meet them where they are, right? You distribute your desktops or your applications to any device wherever they are located on the planet, right? So
Yeah.
it is an unmatched experience that you can that we provide with the cloud.
So yeah, so if a company wants to move, they can just focus on the business with a solution like this. Not only it helps their how with the managed desktop, but administrative cost is less. At the same time, system is agile, is scalable, is reliable. So in no time they can just deploy this.